Good morning, I'm Paul Riere, the proprietor of Ace Begonias, and we founded the company in 1976, so we're now in our 40th year. It was started by myself and John Davison. Currently it's myself, my wife, and my mother has a minor contribution. Ace operates on 18.5 acres, and we have about 75,000 feet of various qualities greenhouse. Our product line is a combination of our namesake product, Rieger Begonias, and then we get involved with most of the typical Northeast products, poinsettias in the fall, and a major push in the spring concerning annuals, perennials, patio pots, and hanging baskets. Rieger Begonias cannot be grown properly without supplemental light if you intend to grow them year-round. We went with high-pressure sodium, and those units were 400-watt nominal units. Once again, they work much better and were adequate to the job. Still a very limited spectrum. As time went on, now with the LEDs, we get a much improved spectrum, and we chose these particular lights because they use about 335 watts. While these units use less energy, they put out more usable energy. Light spectrum control is an ongoing issue, and they're only getting more and more data at it. Most of the LEDs that I'm aware of, it's not a matter of switching an LED from one spectrum to another. It's energizing one group or de-energizing another group. So in our case, we energize to the maximum level all the groups. So the big energy use at Ace Begonias is pretty much the same as most greenhouses. It's all about heat and light. We use multiple fuels. We use an awful lot of oil. I also use propane, and I'm happy that's stabilized. As oil became very expensive, we very regretfully moved a little bit of our heating capacity into coal, which is cost effective when oil is in the $3 gallon range. We do use an awful lot of electricity. It's pretty much split between the ventilating requirement in the summer and also the lighting. We are very happy with the output to input relationship of the LED lighting. As far as the fan and pad cooling and fan only cooling, and Riegers in the heat of summer are very susceptible. It's their weakest time, literally, physiologically speaking. Pad and fan is a very good thing, and it's just hard to get away from cooling without using electricity. So we're trying to sort of do both, optimize certain parts and minimize others and get a more sensible, tweaked energy usage. Several years ago, as our needs for quality and savings both increased, we began looking at LED lights. One prominent player was LumiGrow, and we liked what we saw there. We've enjoyed support from Natural Resource Conservation, USDA. We've taken use of some state money that helped us redo our heat curtains. Through Connecticut Farm, we got involved with the energy as relates to the solar. With the help of the Connecticut Farm Energy Group, we were able to get a package that involved some direct capital grant and zero-term financing. And of course, this made the project immensely more doable. The advice to anyone who was thinking about it is just get started. There's lots of paperwork, but you can look forward to lots of help from the Connecticut Farm Energy Group and USDA. Nothing happens instantly, but if you play the game and you get the wheels rolling, you'll probably have as much success as us, and we have enjoyed various successful projects. To me, it's a no-lose proposition, and whatever aggravation and time you spend is well worth the trip. There's just a lot of other places that we could do things. We have some very good geology here. We would be a particularly apt site for geothermal energy. I'm also very interested in getting rid of this darn coal that nobody likes, especially me, but it was a matter of survival. Another interesting area is cogeneration with propane. And I'm really happy to say that through Connecticut Farm and the other entities, we are looking at proceeding in the near term with a solar array. Those are some of the things that I'm thinking about, and I'm hoping that we can accomplish, not at once, but over time. So thanks for coming by. You're welcome to visit personally on our website. I love thinking and talking about this stuff, so I'm available for a chat if you want more detailed inspections or looks at what we're up to. Come on down if you feel like it, and pick up a phone if you want. Thanks for visiting Ace Begonias.